Hello guys, welcome back to another video. DJI has come up with a new Flysafe database update. So in this video we will be updating Flysafe database for Mini 2 and checking out whether the 15 meters hack is working or not. In the meantime we will also be understanding what is this Flysafe database and what is the benefit in this update. So without wasting much of the time, let's straight get into the video. Now you can see on the screen that I have got the Flysafe update on the DJI application. So before proceeding with the upgrade, let's check the current Flysafe database version that is present on the DJI Mini 2. So the current version is 1.19. Now let's update this Flybase and check the version that we are getting and the benefits. So basically the question arises that what is this Flysafe database? Why do we need this Flysafe database, and is it necessary to do the upgrade now itself? Let me answer all these questions one by one. So basically the Flysafe is one that provides the geographic points to your drone. In the simple words, we can say it provides the map and tells the drone where not to fly and where to fly. Like it provides some restriction areas where you cannot fly the drone, like airport, defense area or any restricted area. In such kind of areas, aircraft will notify you and won't allow you to fly in such areas. And yeah, even if you hack your drone, it will not allow you to fly in such kind of areas. Let's assume that you have changed your altitude parameters to 500 with the help of DH Companion, and it has also reflected on the DJI app. And when you try flying it on any restricted areas like airport or any areas, when you fly more than 50 meters, it will show you that there is a restriction area and it won't go more than 60 meters, or it can maximum go up to 120 meters. It cannot exceed 120 meters. Anyways guys, if you're on the main spot or any restricted area, it won't take off itself. I'm just giving this example. If you're surrounding to the restricted area and if you're close to the restricted range, that time it will maximum go up to 60 meters or 120 meters. Anyways, I won't recommend you guys to fly in the restricted area. In this update, DJI has enhanced inputting of more GPS coordinates so that aircraft can get stronger GPS signal and avoid from accidental flights wherever the drone is not allowed to fly. Now as you can see, Flysafe database has been successfully updated, and our current Flysafe database version is 1.23. Before it was 1.19. now it has moved to 1.23. so everyone needs to do this upgrade. If you did not do this upgrade for 1 week or 2 weeks, it will force you to do this upgrade. Unless and until you do this Flysafe database upgrade, the aircraft will not take off after a week or 2 weeks. So it's compulsory. So as we are done with the upgrade, let's try the DH Companion hack, whether we get 500 meters altitude or not. Let's check it out. So now I will quickly switch to the DH Companion application and I will replug the RC cable again. Okay guys, now you can see on the screen that altitude has been set to the 500 meters. So without any worries, you can update your Flysafe database as well as
The
DJI
home point
firmware.
has been updated.
So go ahead and
please
upgrade
check it on the map.
That's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to create some more content like this and keep you guys updated from the DJI. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.